First, we're going to start with the Lenovo, and we're going to use a Type-C to HDMI adapter and a regular USB cable. If you don't have a regular USB cable, you can take one of the KVM cables, and you can pull apart the USB side from the HDMI side. Okay, so connect the USB. Now we'll connect our Type-C to HDMI and get the power cable. And we get some power. Let's go ahead and put this over here. Next, we have our MacBook Pro. And here we have a multi-port adapter with an HDMI and a USB. Get the power for the Mac. Okay, that's connected. Go ahead and put that over here. Now finally, we have our mouse and keyboard. So let's go ahead and start connecting everything. You can plug this into the keyboard port and then into PC1. Now we're going to connect this to PC2. Now we're going to hook our monitor cable. Then we're going to hook the power for the KVM. Okay, now that we've got everything, let's go ahead and open up. And let's turn on the KVM. And here you can see we've got online 1 and online 2, which means we have USB connections. We have number 2 selected, which is going to be the Lenovo. And come here. You can see we've got mouse and keyboard, extended screen over here. Now if we want to switch over to the Apple, and here we've got the extended screen. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and come back and show you how to set up the teleconferencing.